guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have something very interesting to show you all. Acer has recently launched their all new tablets in India, the Acer One series. So it's actually available in two display size variants. You get an 8.7-inch variant and a 10.1-inch large screen model also. And pricing is also quite reasonable. The starting price of the 8.7-inch tab is only around 12,990 rupees. Now a lot of people keep looking to buy like tablets for your home purpose, right? Maybe for your kids or students who want to use it for their online classes and stuff like that. This might be like quite useful for you. So these tabs pack like decent features. You're getting IPS displays and up to 1080p resolution, and I've told you now two display size variants are there. 8-inch edition, 10-inch edition is there, and best part is they even support like 4G VoLTE nano SIM cards as well. You can use mobile data and use it for calling purpose also. So I'm pretty excited to unbox and see what these products have to offer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Acer One 10 came in this sort of box packaging, and I've told you right, these 1 series tablets are available in two configurations. You get 4+64 and 6+128. We have the bigger brother 6+128 top end variant. So packaging is also pretty decent. You have the Acer One branding everywhere, picture of the product on the front, and look at this, we have the specifications and details at the back side. I'll anyhow get there and talk about the details in a moment, but main highlight of this product is you're getting a 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS touch display, and not to miss out, it supports SIM cards as well, 4G nano SIMs, and you can literally do calling from the tablet, guys. Lots of interesting features. We'll talk about all of those in this video. As soon as you open it, there you go, our brand new Acer 110 T9 tab at the top side. Let's also check out the accessories first. So you're getting a user manual, make sure to read this for all the details, and an accessory box is also there over here, which includes the SIM ejection tool, and inside that you're getting a 9V 2A QC power adapter. So yes, the tab also supports QC fast charging as well, and a Type-C cable for the adapter. And not to miss out, Acer is also giving you a free set of wired earphones for the tablet. Pretty useful, I'd say. Well, that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality part. Initial impressions, it actually looks kinda nice. I mean, it's a big 10-inch Android tablet, but definitely looks quite premium for the price point. And look at the thickness as well, only around 7.6 mm. What I'll do is I'll talk about the basic specs and details first. On the front side, you're getting a 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 WUXGA display, and it's an IPS panel, guys. You have the Acer branding over here, and going to the top side, this is where you got a front 5-megapixel camera that even supports face unlock feature. And good thing is the tab also comes with like a factory applied screen guard as well. So that's a plus point, and we'll definitely come and talk about the bezels in a moment. Going to the side profile, here you're getting a volume rocker, and quality of the buttons also look pretty decent, tactile and clicky, I'd say. Below that you have the power button, a microphone I believe, and a Type-C port for charging. And this must be your right channel speaker. Thing is, tab actually features stereo speakers, one on the left and other one on the right. And this one is your SIM card tray. It's a hybrid type model that supports one nano SIM and one micro SD card. And look at this, you're also getting a 3.5mm headphone jack as well. Now on the other side, you only have your left channel speaker, and that is pretty much it. On the bottom side, you've got a magnetic connector, so you can basically connect like an optional keyboard from Acer itself. And here's how the back profile of the tab looks like. Quite premium, guys. You're getting a nice metallic sort of finish, and build quality of the tab is also very good. It's like a mix between metal and polycarbonate. Frame is made of polycarbonate, while the back has like a aluminum alloy sort of finish. At the top, you can check out your camera setup. Tab features like dual cameras at the back. Primary one is a 13-megapixel Sony IMX sensor, and the secondary one looks like a depth sensor. And you also have like a tiny LED flash included as well. And not to forget, the tab also supports 4G nano SIMs with VoLTE, so great for calling purpose as well. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the product, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. In the meantime, let me quickly tell you the specs of this product. Today in the house we have the Acer One 10-inch variant tablet, and the model we'll be checking out is T91212L. Talking about the display, it features a big 10.1-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 WXGA format, and it's an IPS touchscreen, guys. If you talk about the chipset, on board you're getting MediaTek's 8768WA octa-core chipset. And coming to the configuration, I've told you right, it's available in two different variants. You get 4+64 and 6+128GB configuration. RAM onboard being used is LPDDR4, and the storage is eMMC type. Good thing is the storage on it is also expandable up to 1 TB using a micro SD card. Now coming to the camera setup, at the back side you're getting a dual camera setup. Primary one is a 13 megapixel camera which features Sony IMX sensor and has autofocus support as well. It is capable of shooting up to 1080p videos at 30 fps. And the secondary one is a depth sensing camera. On the front side you're getting a 5 megapixel fixed focus camera. It has support for all the basic sensors and GPS is also included, so you can even use it for navigation purpose. And the whole thing is powered by a 7100 mAh battery. I've been using the Acer One 10 since the last couple of days, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are so many things I'll be talking about, guys, in different aspects and segments, so make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this model. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the tablet and show you how the home screen looks like. Remember, I've told you that it's an Android tablet and runs on Android version 12 out of the box, and here's how the home screen and interface looks like. Best part about this tablet is it's got a very clean UI, guys. No nonsense, no bloatware at all. I mean, look at the installed apps over here. There is nothing, only basic Google services and apps are installed on this tablet out of the box. So that is definitely a plus point. But the overall interface looks pretty simple and clean, guys. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the settings and show you what sort of settings are available. First of all, if you ask about the Wi-Fi settings, the tablet does support dual band Wi-Fi. So you're getting both 2.4G and 5 GHz support. If you open the storage section, looks like 16 GB has been used. So you're still left with around like 110 to 112 GB of free space out of the box. But not to worry, you can even expand the storage using an external micro SD card up to 1 TB. Now lastly, going over to the about section, here you can check out the software related information. I've told you, right, it runs on Android version 12, so that is what you're getting on the Acer One series tablets. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the home screen, built-in apps and software section. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over here, just have a look at that demo, and then we'll come back and talk about the picture and the speaker quality on this product. Today in the house we have a brand new laptop, and this one's from Acer. It's their all new 2023 model Acer Aspire 3, and as I've told you just now, this is the most affordable, budget friendly and also the very first laptop in India to be powered by AMD's Ryzen 7000 series mobile CPU. So you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you'd ask me, display quality is pretty decent over here. You're getting a 10.1-inch IPS display with a 1080p resolution, guys. It's around like 1920 by 1200 to be precise, and there's like great amount of detail no matter what sort of content you're watching. Either it be like web pages, YouTube videos or any sort of media. There's crisp and clear detail and picture looks pretty nice, I would say. Coming to the colors are also nice. The color reproduction, color accuracy were pretty much on point thanks to that IPS panel, and overall contrast levels, black levels, everything were like pretty much on point for the price that you're paying. Brightness of the panel are also decent, guys. It can go all the way up to like 315 nits of brightness, and I had no issues checking out the display in like most of the situations. It's great for indoor sort of usage. Viewing angles are also good. The picture looked the same no matter from which angle you were viewing, and overall now you'll be like pretty satisfied with the picture quality that you're getting on this tablet. And coming to the sound, I was totally not expecting this, guys. I've told you, right, it features like stereo speakers, one on the left and the other one on the right, and the speaker quality is really good for the price point. You're getting like great clarity sound with minimum distortion, and crazy thing is they can go super loud. It's like a total entertainment package, guys. Great for media consumption purpose. Now coming to the performance part, I've told you, right, it's powered by MediaTek's 8768WA, which is an octa-core chipset, and pair that with 6 gigs of LPDDR4 RAM. This tablet was mainly designed for applications like video conferences, taking online classes, or even for like frontline workers. They can use it for data collection or maybe like enterprise wide usage. It's good for these day-to-day sort of usages. Quickly responds to your inputs, and touchscreen response is also fine. You can check it out in the video. I've been mostly using this tab for media consumption, watching YouTube videos, a bit of entertainment, and also attending my online meetings in the past few days. And also if you got like kids at your place, right, it can be useful for their education, or maybe for like students who want to take their online classes, gets your job done. You might also ask about the gaming performance. Yes, basic gaming can be done over here. I've played games like Temple Run, Subway Surfers, Angry Birds, and all of these were running smoothly on this model. And let me tell you about the call quality and signal reception as well. I've used two different SIMs in the past few days, and 4G signal reception was great on this tab. Supports around 4 LTE bands and 8 3G bands, and call quality experience was also nice. Especially the built-in microphone performance was good. Other person could clearly hear and understand what I was saying. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. It's got a 7100 mAh battery, and on a moderate sort of usage, like watching videos on YouTube at 60% brightness, answering a few calls, mobile data active for some time, I was getting around like 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. If you don't use mobile data or calling features that much, then you can expect around like 8 to 9 hours of battery life. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on Acer 110 Android tab. I hope you people got all the information you might be looking for in this video. And pricing for the 8-inch model, as I've told you, starts at around 12,990 rupees, and our 10-inch variant pricing starts at 17,990 rupees. I'll leave links for all these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.